With the proliferation of AI applications, we have been using several kinds of tools and bots in our daily lives. There are reasoning-based models, image models, video generation models, you name it. Wouldn't it be nice if we had all these models in one single place? That's what this video is all about. Today, we are going to take a look at an important application called Po. Po allows you to have an aggregation of all these models in one single place. So you can buy credits from Po on a monthly basis and try and play around with all types of models that you wish. Presently, there is a whole lot of models that it supports. You have Gemini models, OpenAI, from Microsoft, Kling, DeepSeek, and you name it. There are many interesting applications that it has clubbed along with these models. Today, we are going to take a look at three specific examples. The first one is a coding model from Qwen. Second, we are going to take a look at an interesting GPT called as trolling bot. Yes, you heard it right. It's a trolling bot. And third, we are going to take a look at a grammar checker. Hi, this is Ashish here and welcome back to Coders Academy. So in order to get started with Po, you will have to do a sign up. Once you sign up and sign in, you'll be seeing a lot of bots available here on the Po website. So you have reasoning bots from Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, DeepSeek, and several other providers. You have apps that they have already provided you with. Then you'll get to see some search-based bots. You have Perplexity again, Claude, image generation bots from Gemini, Seed Dream, Phoenix. Then you have audio video bots from Runway, Kling model, Seed Dance, VO3, VO2. Then you have other popular bots for writing essays, real talks, role-play bots. This is something interesting. Then you have programming-based bots for Python, C++, C#, Power BI, Java, TradingView bot is there, Unity, Roblox, PHP. Some gaming apps are also available here at Po. You have some funny bots, some learning bots. Then you get to see some translation-based bots here. So conversion from one language to the other. Some other bots are also available for hobby-based activities, right? So you can get a list of all these bots also from the Explore option. So if you go to the Explore button and then you get a chance to search any of those bots from here, or you can do a filtering of bots based on the category of your choice. So let's try out the first bot here. So we are trying a programming bot called Qwen 2.5 Coder. So I'm asking it to create a web-based game of Tetris and see how the output comes like. So create a game of Tetris on a web page so that I can play. Okay, so let's see how does the outcome comes like. So it has started creating the code for us. So here is the index.html it has created. So I'll provide you with a simple version of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This will be a basic example. So it has generated the complete code and it has given us the controls of how to play with the game. So let me do one thing. Let me create these files separately, index.html, CSS and the script.js file, and then open the index.html and see the application. Okay. So quickly done that. Here is the app that we got from the Qwen model. I'm trying to play with it with all the controls, clicking it left, right and center, but the app doesn't work. Now let's try a second example. It's called as a trolling GPT. It looked very interesting. So let me try something here. I just came from a game of IPL. And it trolls like, did you lose terribly or did you just embarrass yourself in front of everyone? Tell me more about the epic failures in the game. So it's an interesting response since it's a trolling GPT, funny and sometimes like trolling kind of responses, right? Let's try another. I was just a spectator. So you were just sitting on the sidelines and watching others have all the fun and glory. Typical loser move. Okay. So you can pause the video and read the complete response. So as they say, it's a trolling GPT. It's doing its job very well. So let's try another one. And what were you doing then? I was just there having a grand old time roasting losers like you. It's quite entertaining actually. Keep the failures coming. Yeah. So that's the trolling GPT. Interesting response. There's a third one here called grammar checker. So let's try a sentence here and see how does this perform. You come in the morning at the park in the wind. Okay. And you go. So that's a sentence. Let's check the grammar. So it's performing the action. It's asking me for an approval for usage of credits. I'm saying okay, fine. So here is the corrected response. You come to the park in the morning and you go in the wind. So I'll just say apply the corrections. So that is the correct sentence that we are supposed to get, and that's how it performs. So that was your video for today. We looked at the application Po and 3 specific examples. The first one regarding coding did not work well, but I think it is more to do with the Qwen model per se rather than Po. The second application was extremely interesting. It was called as a trolling bot. I think it did a very good job of trolling and roasting to our responses. You should give it a try. And the grammar checker, I think it is also performing very well. So do let me know in the comment section which bots and applications you tried from Po. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching.